What's up? What's up? Welcome to the Etsy template listing. This is the pink background. So, this template is so easy to use. It is literally a drag and drop. Almost everything you can edit to your liking, to your style. So, right now, I did a Juneteenth listing for a coloring book coming to my Etsy shop soon. So I'm changing the background and I'm changing the colors to match my listing. Now, you don't have to do that. You can use the pink background if you want to. I'm just extra, so that's what I'm doing. So over here on the side in my uploads, I like to have my uploads already ready for me to go. That way this process goes a whole lot faster. You can drag and drop. But if you prefer to do your uploads while you're doing the template, you can do that too. For me, the quicker I can get in and get out, the quicker I can get the listing up and not have to worry about it. So also you can change the text. It tells you what to put there, like what you will receive, the product title, how many, comments or how many descriptors you really need. It gives you everything in there. And you have enough slides to fill up a whole Etsy list and all the pictures that they ask you for. So again, here I'm changing the backgrounds to match the confetti and to go along with the listing. Going in and changing the text and the titles, what you will receive. Another tip that I learned from Melanin Girl Culture is that when you want to make your text pop. So if you have to put a colored box behind your text so your text will jump out and people can read your text easily. So yeah, this template, I'm telling you, is fantastic. So I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to email me at thepartyofficial@gmail.com or thepartyofficial@outlook.com. So yes, and coming to you soon to my Etsy shop is this image that is coming up. It's part of my Juneteenth collection. It says, "The bigger the fro, the closer to my ancestors." Happy Juneteenth. I'm out.